We're just starting to tour a little bit of the place. I don't know if y'all can see those. Let's see if I can bring y'all closer. Over there on the other side. It's real windy. I don't think I turned my mic on, sorry. Oh yes I did. Okay. We got the adult pool. And then we got the lounging area where you can go and sit and chill and hang out. Also, they got a lazy river. They got a hot tub. So it's very windy today, if you can see by the trees. But we're gonna explore this campsite today. And as we do, we're gonna bring you along with us. Here's another pool. I guess everybody could be in this one. But the adults had to be in it, can only be in the other one. Yeah, plenty of seating area. There's plenty of people here too. So you get a chance to explore. And you're right at your own home or in your car. And you get to see what it looks like and how it is at the campsite. We're gonna be recording all day. Yeah. Restrooms right over there. A lot of campers here. Alright, I gotta go find Mr. Nichols because I don't know where he went to. He left me. Nah, he didn't leave me. He right over there on the other side. I want to catch this view. Must have wristband on to enter this area.
Scan across there. See if somebody scan something. Did the thing light up?
I can't see anything lit up. Sun Outdoors New Orleans Northshore. That's the name of it. Found the name.
Blue or green wristband.
We will be over here today. Adults only, blue or green wristband.
That's what I'm talking about.
Adults only.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, look at the places you can go up there and just sit down and chill out.
You
gotta pay for that?
Yeah.
Oh well.
This way you come sit down and chill out.
No, I'm saying it's still the same place. You can go up there and chill out, whether you gotta pay for it or not.
Oh yeah.
It's one of those places. That's what I was saying. Oh, it's windy. Wasn't expecting it to be so windy. I knew it was gonna be cooler.
Trying to walk around there and go see some things. Go see some things, you know.
What you mean you came the wrong way? You can't go back down that way?
But I don't think this walkway gonna let us go down.
Look at the dust. Where dust come from? Let's see. Got the pool, got the hot tub. And you got the pond, the little pond area. Adults only.
Good morning.
Good morning. Adults only hot tub. Woo. It wasn't doing this, D. He said, "I let you convince me to come out here." Reunion Lake. That's the name of it, Reunion Lake. We should have gotten some coffee and came riding.
Yeah.
But she's just friends with me.
That's a lazy pool. Well, you see the lazy river rules? So it's got a lazy river. We're going to get in that today. I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out. We got to be able to have access to get in there, so. I don't know. Is that a fish? Is that a dead fish? Oh. I wonder what happened to old boy. Yep. Dead fish. Well, they let you know they in here. There go the ducks. Mr. Nichols say, all right, that's it. We going to the building. I was going to try to take y'all over there, but we'll take y'all over there when we get on our bikes. The wind is whipping. And they're going to shower us to wash off the sand and stuff. Woo. That wind pushing. Y'all sorry if the footage is kind of wavery or what you. They surely is hopping across there, ain't they?